welcome to our next art activity. So today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Pigasso from our story When Pigasso Met Matisse. We're going to be using a lot of different geometric shapes in this lesson. Okay, hello my artists and welcome to another art activity. Today we are going to be creating Pigasso from my read aloud When Pigasso Met Matisse. So we're going to be using a lot of geometric shapes today. Remember what our geometric shape family is? Our geometric shape family are shapes that we can measure. So that would be something like a square or a triangle or a rectangle and even a circle. Circles have a way that we can measure them. So, because Picasso, the artist, loved to do cubism, we're going to use our geometric shapes. So this is going to be a portrait of Picasso. Let's start with a circle for his head. And I always like to start with my pencil because then if I make any oops, I can always erase. Let's give him some ears with some triangles. And then we're gonna give him some eyes. You can use whatever shape you want for his eyes. Maybe instead of circles for eyes, I use squares. And maybe I get a little abstract with these squares and I put them in some different places. The artist Picasso was known to abstract his artwork and put things in different places as well. Let's give him his snout with a rectangle. And let's maybe use a trapezoid for his mouth. This way kind of gives him like he looks like a smile. We're going to also give him a hat. Picasso was known to wear a type of beret, which is kind of like an artist's hat, which would be good with another trapezoid or maybe a rectangle. I'm going to kind of do a little stair step to the top of that hat. You know what? I think I want another double triangle inside his ears. Okay, let's finally finish off. We're giving him kind of a triangular like body. I'm not going to do a neck. And then we're going to give him, he looks like he's wearing a shirt or maybe like a jacket. And let's put some stripes in here. Nice vertical, horizontal lines because they're going down. And you know what? I'm going to fill the rest of his shirt or jacket in with some more rectangle shapes, just so I give it a little bit more pattern. Now, make it your own though, and do whatever it is that you want to do on your picture. I'm going to finish this off with tracing my lines after I'm done drawing. I just like to give it a more finished look with that dark outline for my character. And then I'm going to finish this up with some color pencils. So I'm going to speed up my work so you can see those finished results. But whatever you might want to use for color, it's up to you. Maybe you want to do this with oil pastels and watercolors. Maybe you want to use crayons, markers. I'm going to use color pencils today. You know what's great about art is that you are free to kind of create with whatever it is you have available. These are just our simple steps on how you can make your own Pigasso. I'm finishing up my picture and I'm coloring my background now, just to make sure that I have a nice finished drawing. And I kind of have mixed my mediums a little bit with some crayons and color pencils. And I added in a sun, but I made it a little bit more geometric and as a square, and some clouds, which I kind of used more jagged lines than more kind of soft, fluffier lines. So I could really just make this a little bit more cubist, a little bit more geometric, just like Picasso would like. I hope that you guys enjoyed this lesson today. I can't wait to see what it is that you've created. Make sure that you are subscribing to my channel so that you are not missing out on the next fun activity.